I'm Mika. I'm 21 years old and I'm currently taking a gap year in Southeast Asia. I'm a French engineering student and an aspiring artist. Welcome to my channel. And I want to show you places like this, but also I want to animate things. I want to show you all kinds of stuff, but I'll go deeper in the next section. Why YouTube? My friends and I wanted to make a documentary film. We invested in professional gear and we learned filmmaking. It was the best decision of our lives. But the project was discontinued as Noah and Victor wanted to focus on other personal projects and I was the only one who wished to continue. Victor started to do some vlogs and I wanted to do some content too. As I am still inexperienced in filmmaking, I wanted to train myself. So, by using the means that are at my disposition, I wanted to create something and show it to you. YouTube is the best place for that. What content will I post? What will there be on my channel? Well, a bit of everything I love. The main subjects will be art. I am going to talk about my progression and my goal and dream of becoming an artist, and share with you the insights I find along the way. Currently, I am trying to learn anatomy, so I will probably do a video on it. And I am also doing a challenge where I draw a portrait a day, if you want to check it out on Instagram. Yoga and meditation. I am considering becoming a yoga teacher, or at least certified to do so in a couple of months. I already have a yoga practice that I would love to develop. It would be my pleasure to share some sessions with you so you can practice with me. I also wanted to share my experience in meditation. In a broader sense, I will be making videos about self-development and tell you about the advice I have learned. Travel. As some of you know, I am currently in Thailand taking a gap year and I will travel all around Southeast Asia the next several months. I want to show you that despite the pandemic going on, travel is still possible. There are a lot of sights and experiences I will discover that I want to share. I will of course spice up these vlogs with trivia for you to learn things too. My film. As I have said earlier, our documentary project was discontinued and I am the only one continuing the project. I am aiming to do an autobiographical film documenting my gap year. I already have a few ideas in mind and even possibly the title that I will share in the future. So some of the videos will show my progression towards that goal. Why in English? Now let's talk about the fact that I am talking in English et pas en français atau pakai bahasa Indonesia. I wanted to have a broader audience. Some people I know do not speak French or Indonesian for that matter, but I still wanted to share my experience with them. Plus, it gives me the ideal reason to practice my English and improve it. Mais il y aura quand même des parties en français, je pense. Et dans ces cas-là, il y aura des sous-titres.
One last thing is for those of you who know why I am wearing white at this moment, that is the subject of the next video, so see you in that one. Peace.